What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got an unboxing today, something new on the channel, Galaxy Z Flip 7. I'm very excited about this device, guys. Y'all know I was on the flips for a while. I had the Flip 3, Flip 4, Flip 5. We skipped the Flip 6, so now we on the Flip 7. I'm very excited. We definitely gonna get deep into this Flip 7 coverage, guys. But make sure you support your boy in the channel. It don't cost no money. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, like a video. And I definitely appreciate it, guys. Typical Sammy packaging. We know unboxing these days are kind of boring, not too much going on, but let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we 2 days early with this unboxing, guys. You see Samsung changed the box up a little bit, kind of, you can see the Flip 7 on the front, Flip 7 at the top, black packaging, eco-friendly packaging and things of that nature. But it is a lot of sensitive numbers and things on this box. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the Flip 7 out so we can get this party started. Okay, guys, so first and foremost, I'm just loving this color. I just took the top off the box and I can actually see the color for myself, like a deep cobalt blue. Kind of remind me of my Samsung SSD, but maybe just a little bit deeper blue. I'm loving the color already. I haven't even took this thing out the box. I see we got some protruding camera lenses. So Flip 7 definitely probably way more of a camera beast than my Flip 5 was. Looks like these sensors are actually a little bulkier. So very impressed and excited already, guys. But let's go ahead and get it out. And there goes the blue, guys. Look at this. I love this color. This color was definitely calling me. I had to pick something up on a Z-Line this year just off this color alone. And we got the wide and the ultra wide, and definitely excited, like I said, about the 50 megapixel sensor that's in this thing, and how you can close it and take a selfie and a cover display. But let's actually go ahead and get this sticker off the cover display. So we're going to peel that back like so, and just a nice gigantic cover display. I know Motorola did it first, but when it just comes to flips, I like the Samsung build quality and I like One UI. So I had to, I'm glad that Samsung just finally got on the train of a full front facing display that goes actually around the cameras. So this is the actual side of the device, guys, where you got the volume rocker, that power button fingerprint scanner that I love, that just works so well on these Z series devices and a flip and a fold or whatever. Here we got the hinge. Everything's perfectly straight right now. Then we come up the bottom of the other side, guys. What we got going on, as you can see, 5G antenna, and we also have SIM card slot. So very dope, very clean, guys. Up top, noise canceling microphone. And you can see how these camera sensors protrude a little bit. Down bottom, we got the speaker, Type-C, look like another microphone or noise canceling mic type situation going on. And we're gonna take this sticker off the front. Okay, guys, so I had to set up some stuff, but we are back, and I'm just going through like a little walkthrough on the phone. So you can see we got the hinge right here. Hinge looking very slim this year, guys. Nice and slim, and it's actually, it just got that nice snappy feel to it. And now we're gonna have to see if it stays like that. When you opening and closing the hinge, nice and tight. Not too tight, but it's, it doesn't feel wonky. Get to the spot and it snaps in place. That's what you want. You want it to snap in place. And the snap in place actually feels good. Now we got a nice little setup out of the box on the front cover display. You got a couple options here, a lot of little widgets, weather, calendar, stuff like that, timer, alarm, calculator. And look at the actual bezel, guys. Very thin bezel. You get in like all display right now on the cover display of the Z Flip 7. So I think this looks really dope. I was excited and it looks amazing, just like I thought it did when I seen it on YouTube and I seen it at Unpack. But yeah, of course I gotta set it up my own way. but nice little options for the widgets already out the box. When closed, this is how slim the hinge is, guys, and how nice and sealed the device is. You can't see any of the white or anything like that of the background on my table. You can't see through the device. Nice tight hinge. Samsung did a really good job just on the mechanics alone. Again, I'm coming from the Flip 5. So the specs on this thing, guys, 6.9-inch inner display, Exynos 2500. You also getting a 4300 milliamp battery. And Exynos 2500 processor is different from the Snapdragon we've been getting. So we got to see how this Exynos processor is going to do. This is kind of like my little experiment. I definitely want to see how well the Exynos holds up, because in the past we've heard bad things about Exynos, but I feel like it should be powerful enough to hold up for this device. They say the Exynos is comparable to like a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 almost. So that should be plenty enough power for the Flip. Well, yeah, guys, this was like a quick unboxing and hands-on first look at this Flip 7. Definitely going to be bringing a lot of accessories. Definitely need a microfiber. It's definitely a little fingerprint magnet with this big outer display. I'm going to try to see if I can find a nice actually protective or screen protector for the outside display that's like less of a fingerprint magnet, because this definitely has to get protected. But of course, accessories, reviews coming. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.